In the fast-paced world of venture capital, having a strong digital presence is crucial. However, it's not just about the number of followers or likes you have, it's about the quality of your online presence and the impact it has on your target audience. Investors and entrepreneurs are constantly searching for the next big thing, and they turn to the internet for information. This is why it's important for venture capital firms to have a well-designed website that showcases their expertise and highlights their portfolio companies. But it's not enough to just have a website. It's important to have a website that is user-friendly, visually appealing, and provides valuable content. This means having clear navigation, engaging visuals, and informative articles or blog posts. In addition to a website, venture capital firms should also have a strong presence on social media platforms. This allows them to connect with their target audience on a more personal level and share valuable insights and updates. However, it's important to remember that quality is more important than quantity when it comes to social media. It's better to have a smaller, engaged following than a large following that is not interested in your content. This means focusing on creating meaningful and relevant posts that resonate with your audience. Another important aspect of a venture capital firm's digital presence is thought leadership. By sharing industry insights and expertise through articles, white papers, or webinars, firms can establish themselves as leaders in their field and build trust with potential investors and entrepreneurs. Overall, quality should always be prioritized over quantity when it comes to venture capital digital presence. By focusing on creating a well-designed website, engaging social media content, and thought leadership, firms can effectively showcase their expertise and attract the right audience.